Okay. Hi. I really don't want to talk very loud because my parents are still awake, and I hate that. But hi. I'm just gonna say we're live streaming now, I guess. So. Did I really restart it? Okay, it's so scary. Sorry about that. Okay, this is everything. And that's City Skylines. Okay. Well, I guess I gotta start doing them now, I guess. Whatever. Well, I really don't want to talk loud because my parents, but okay, fine. So, this is the projects we're working on, I guess. Nothing to do for build. It's currently in Rust. I know I said it was gonna be in C. So, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this in C. We're gonna replace this in C. Because, well, the main reason why is, it'd probably be easier, and my friend challenged me to learn C more, so that's what we're gonna do, and, yeah, it's a lot. Also, this doesn't want to do anything. Why? So? Let's install that. Yay. I really wish my parents would go to bed because it would be a lot easier. So, we have to compile this. Just so like I can make sure everything is working first, and then we can start writing C. I actually have, this is the, what is the Android native app glue or whatever it is, and I think this is like, yeah, this is part of the Android open source projects, and it bootstraps like the Android application, but it's then again, there's also another thing I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to write Java, which is great. Hello. Oh yeah, that's not installed. That's fine. Is it gonna still complain? Yeah. Okay. Oh, there. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna have to start writing this. Get status. I don't wanna. Get out here. What did I do in FFI? I don't have a clue. Oh yeah, I added the letter A. Okay. Okay, good. So I have all this. Yeah, so let's just try writing it in C now. Yep, that is irreversible. So, this is the main, not C, and this is like, currently I just have this copied, like, from the RawDraw Android projects and just slightly edited, but now we're going to be writing everything in here, so that's been a lot of fun. So, and another thing we need to do is also have Java, because in order to do something, you need access to Java, and it's so annoying. Like, what is the point of a native app if you can't do things without Java? It's just so annoying. So, we're gonna have to make a Java class. I guess, so just feed, no, it's not nets. It's just be dev, that one idiot I know online, or something, I don't know. I'm just gonna call this, I think this can be, I don't know, what's the freaking Java conventions, I'm just gonna call it image view, and we're gonna have, not Java. This is gonna be so fun. It's just class main, and then tabs. I'm not sure how to write a freaking. We have to, cause it's just so annoying. Google forces me to do this, so in order to do some of the things I want to do with this app. So we're just gonna have to go to activity. Whatever this is no, that's the C struct. This is the thing we have to extend. It's so annoying. And what is it? What are the things we have to do? So there's, of course, we're gonna have to import this. So package. What is it called? Image view. Dot. Yeah. Okay. Import this from wherever this is, which is enter.app.native activity. Extends native activity. Eventually, we're gonna be able to load our code, our native C code, and actually use it. So I forget what the thing is that we can only access in Java, but I know we're gonna need it in the future. Because I was doing this project, I was working on this project a long time ago, and it was incredibly annoying. I mean, everything worked, but I needed this one function to do something, and I think it was to open a file. Yes, I had to open a file, and the only way I could is if I added Java code. There was nothing in C to do it. And I don't think I could have done it easily, because I have to access the class, and there's not really any way to do that from native code. You can call other Java methods, but you can't really do anything on the class. So you have to make one first. It's really nice. So then I guess we can just, what is it? There's something, I think it's on create, that we have to override? I don't know. Protected, what is it? Void, no. Void on create. Bundle. There's yes, so what is a bundle? Or whatever the hell this annoying thing is. Android.os.bundle. And then I believe we can just do system.load, oh my god, load library, or something, and it's whatever it is, and yeah, I forget what it's called though. There's also this other stuff. I'm gonna have to get rid of this, I think, because now that we're just doing this, we don't need that. Oh wait, so we're gonna have to, yeah, but then we're gonna have to figure out how to get Raja to use it. Oh no, I forget how. So what does this do? So I don't know what where it starts at. There's something here. Is it this? Okay, on create. Yeah, because you can't name this method or anything after it. It just doesn't work. So, okay, save state, whatever, and it's just, okay. So it's all this stuff up, and then it does that. And then, what is Android app create? This, and then it just returns one. Where does it call main? I forget. Surely it calls main in here somewhere. Android main, I think that's it. Yeah. Unless, oh yeah, I think this handles it. The library does. That's annoying. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. And then I forget what I do in here to set this. Huh. So then this is the rest of this is, okay. To make that, you do that, and then, okay. And there's not really anything interesting I can say, I'm sorry. Hi, welcome, Pixel. This is so, I don't know, man. I'm like getting stage fright or something, this is so annoying. Source C, and then, I don't know where it puts it, and then I don't know what it's called, because I know, what does it do? It makes, yeah, this makes a library in here, and it's called LolApp. Okay. So if I just call this LolApp, I think, and then I don't know how to compile this well enough. I don't know how to compile it. I think, like, I forget. This freaking studio would do it for you, and nobody tells you how to do it. You compiling an Android app without the freaking studio. Yeah, but how do I do it without your freaking thing? It's all Gradle, isn't it? I don't like Gradle or Maven. They're so annoying. Once you get used to Rust's build system, all the others are like absolutely terrible. I think I even thought they were terrible before I even knew about Rust, I think. They are. What am I doing here? So, like, we have to build it. Okay, that's cool. How do I do it without... I don't really want to do it with Gradle. I'm just being like... Create r.java from AAPT. What? What do you mean from? What do you mean from? It doesn't even mention it. Good job. DAX file, DX. Oh my god. So, yeah, what do you mean from? That makes no sense. Like, do I use apps to make it? What? Okay, package. Okay. Okay, so then you just do package dash f. What is Android underscore? That's. I don't have a clue. It's not defined, is it? Here it is. Platforms. Platform. Okay. I really wish my parents would just go to bed. Right. Or what is it? It's that, right? Build tools. Okay, there we go. Jeez. So what is that now? Again. Okay, it's android.jar. I just wish my parents would go to bed so then I could speak louder. What do you mean the rest does not exist? I'm gonna cry. I am literally gonna cry. Just my parents won't freaking go to bed, and it's been a full hour since they were supposed to go to bed. Java. Okay, so what is res? They say create r.java. Okay. So what is res? Unless, okay. Unless it's something like assets. Here. Unable to open file. Unless it's, okay, yeah, I don't have one. It's down here. Android manifest XML. Okay, it did something. Did that like make an r.java? Where did it put it? Where did it put it? Hello? I don't understand where it put it. Unless I put it in here. No, it didn't. Where the hell did it put it? It just consumed it. Unless it threw it in here. No. It just did nothing with it. Yay. gen, res, did it make a folder called gen? No, it didn't. I don't know where I would have put it if it was a folder called res or gen. Oh, I didn't add an F flag. So what is this? Okay, it's an APK. Oh wait, am I really just... Am I really? Yep. Okay, so then what is this R not Java? Doesn't make any sense. Like, is it in here? I don't think so. Around to DAX, create initial version of the APK from assets. Energy output is to there. Leaving that site. Okay. So what do you mean, generate it? Makes no sense. Okay. So then, J is gen, so where the hell is gen? I don't see it. I don't know, man. And there's no gen anywhere. Unless it's in here, who knows? No. Again, right? Like, it's doing something stupid. That's just force. I don't know what it means by make gen, because there's absolutely no folder called gen. Yep. Literally nothing. I don't know what this is talking about. Okay. Okay, so then again, if I do it without this, what's gonna happen? Nothing? Okay, that's what I thought. Nothing? Yeah. Like, did it do anything here? No. RM-target slash... I forget what's that application. do it again. Like there's nothing new. There's a ledger. I don't know what I'm doing with my life anymore. Because it's not there. What does that do? Okay, that's probably better. I still wish my parents would just go to bed. But they won't. When will they go to bed? I don't know. Okay. I'm just gonna wait until my parents go to bed. Give me a sec. Hi, welcome. I'm waiting for my parents to go to bed. They said they would, so I'm hoping they will. I'm gonna check if they're gone now. Hi, oh my god, they're gone. My parents are gone. Now I can be really loud. Yay. Hi, everyone. Okay. My parents are finally gone, and that's exciting. So this the past like 30 minutes when I tried to stream, but like I was really quiet. It wasn't really interesting. I was trying to debug something. Doing the C Android app would just take too long. I'm sorry. I know I made it a poll, but like it would just take too long. It's not gonna be able to do it. Who's Aggie Lord? I don't know who that is. So, we're gonna do the hack save project or whatever. This project is I've decided we're gonna do it. I'm sorry, but I cannot. It would just take too long. It wouldn't really be interesting if I did the other thing. So the hack save project is Friday Night Funkin'. Mod. It's a mod. And it has Rust, but it also has hacks in it because it's the game that we're also gonna be working on too. Excuse me. Oh my god, why did I burp? Sounds so stupid. Who is Aggie Lord? I don't know who Aggie Lord is. Like what? Do I dare? Oh, is that is that what you're trying to call me? Whatever. So yeah, basically I have to freaking write a server, and then I have to write a client, and basically I can actually show what the output of this would be if I actually go to it. So like, what is it? What is it? Hacksit lib. Okay. Run line build HTML5 dash debug, and we actually see it works currently. Okay, the whole thing works, but the thing is, it's not good enough. There's tons of bugs. Hope I'm scared and lost in the wall. I'm Femboy Programming. I teach people how to program, but I'm a femboy. I'm still working on the tutorials. The tutorial series I want to have like thigh highs on, but like they're still shipping, and I don't have any good thigh highs currently. They're all. You're not showing Saturday night. What is it? Sorry, I'm just waiting until it comes. And once I get my thigh highs, I'll make a tutorial series on whatever the poll gets. Anyways, so we can actually see here. Hello. You run this, and this is what we have. If I go to it. That's not the right one. That's not the right one. That's not the right one. I need to be in the right place. Oh my god. What is it? Export, release, HTML5 bin. I think that's it, yes. And then we go to here. That's City Skylines, hi. We refresh this. There it is, that's the game. And it compiles. So I just have to fix a bunch of freaking bugs, and really to do that, we're gonna make it a lot better. That's the wrong donate button. I just realized you probably can't hear that. You can't hear it either. Oh, there it is. So yeah. Amazon. I don't know. What if... Okay, whatever. You can see it works. So now we're gonna have to get rid of the bugs in it. And so... I've been working a lot on this, actually designing a better protocol. So all we have to do is just implement that. And once we implement the protocol, that's probably all we need to do. And it just involves a lot of this. It's gonna be annoying, but it's, whatever. We can talk. If anyone wants to ask questions about the series, I'm willing to answer. So let's just start, I guess. So what is this? There's so many packets. And this is the whole thing for it. And you just have to write stuff for it. So the first thing, I guess, would be to do is what we're doing. We're implementing this for this. I think this is done. We just have to, yeah, do this for each packet. So let's start with the room packet. Okay. Implement, whatchamacallit, this thing for room ready packet. And then for now, what is this? Yeah, we need this. This is basically tells me what part of the connection would send this, whether it be the client or the server, and that's actually really useful. So what is this? If we actually go to it in here, that's not the right. This is, I think this is it, yes. So this is bound to the server, so the server would get this. Then the next thing would be, okay, 0, some, and then there's some state. It should be room, and then we just have to write. I can actually skip writing a serializer. I can just go right to the serializer, because this is the server currently. Would you prefer if I played a game or something? We have City Skylines and Minecraft. So what do we do here? I forget how much. We take the reader and we just read out stuff. But I typically would read this all. So reader.read to read exact, and we have like some vector here. Although, yeah, I think, I'm not sure what the best thing to do here would be. Would it be, I think I know what would be the best thing to do. So we're gonna make a slice, and we have a box new. Ooh, can we do that? Can we do slice? No, that's not a thing, really? I don't know what to do about that. I'd say just vector. That's the issue, because I need to have some buffer to put all this up to this size in. But that's kind of tricky. We can, what is it? I guess we just, see, I don't know what to do about that. I guess it's all, this is all, what this typically would be is a buffer anyway, so I guess I can just read from it, doesn't really matter. So, no, we're just gonna do that, because I can't be bothered to. So to read this, we can actually view this really nicely. Can I get that? Yes. So we just take this, we're just gonna read this exactly, so we're gonna, oh yeah. What is this? This is a, no, that's the events. What am I looking? Why does it scroll down? Okay. So we're gonna have the, actually this is easy compute. Okay. So how do I, again, this is, I have to now make another thing. I have to do this either way, which is annoying. I don't know how to do it. I'm just going to say that with capacity when fill, sure, let's just do that. Fill that and let mute buff. I'm gonna have that and we're gonna pass it to this. And that's going to, yeah, do that. So then we can get that. Why isn't that proper? Oh, what? What's that? Oh, that's because it does that. Okay, let's do fill here then. And we're gonna have fill this buffer. We should actually just subtract this by 1, and then we can make metadata here. And we're just gonna have 0 of U8s, or 0 U8 actually. And then reader.read exact and use metadata. If metadata and 0b1 does not equal 0, then we know that the client is ready. So actually we can just have this like a thing, I guess, a variable. So this is true if the client is ready. Hello. Why is there no implementation for that? Oh yeah, that makes sense. Ready, and then we're gonna put this is going to be a string. We're gonna make a string from it. So I can do from UTF-8 buff. And we're gonna have this be a song. Oh wait, except, oh yeah, it's multiple different things actually. Okay, wait. Okay, it's gonna be like this instead. And then, what am I doing? I did this wrong. I thought there is a song data, but then we have to do like if ready. Then we're gonna have to get this song enum. And I believe, what is the song enum? The song enum is again a 1 byte integer. Okay, so, or difficulty. And there we go. And then yes, we're gonna read the song name. Oh, I got too far. And that should be 2. Okay, so then we're gonna have this, and we're gonna read all the way to it completely. And then we can have the song. And what is this gonna look like? Yeah, this is a ready, and then there's an option song. Okay. So then we can just do that. And then I guess we can do an else. And why is this error? Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so ready. I guess we can just have that there. And then vote some song. And then what is this song again? It is a song difficulty. Okay. Name be the song. Anyway, let's call it the name. So we can just do that. And then difficulty. There we go. Found packet. Oh yeah, and then there we go. Perfect. And then we just have to figure out what this difficulty is. So now I guess to do that, we can just be like match difficulty. The 0 one. What's this difficulty? Is it 0x00? Then song difficulty easy. And just do that for each one. And then for this, I think we have, yeah, we can just throw an error. Return error, new, error kind, invalid, hello, data. And we can just say bad difficulty, you know. And that should just work, except we don't set that to anything. There we go, perfect. And then we can throw this down here because I don't like it going over this. My bar over here. I have a bar over here. I don't let code pass this bar whatsoever. So there we go. And the name is yeah. Dot map error new error kind invalid data invalid UTF-8. And then just of course question mark it out of there. There we go. And then oh yeah, there's stuff here. I'm just gonna, those are all IO errors, so I can just question mark them out. There we go. Perfect. So that's done. And then oh yeah, does this packet change the state? No. This packet does not change the state. Oh yeah, we have one more here. It should be easy. Room ready packet. Self ready vote none. Perfect. And then why is this, what the hell happened there? That should not have happened. What happens? There we go. And then we just do this for each packet. There's not that many currently, so that's a good thing. Oh, why don't we do room player info? Why not? Although I think this can be a fun one actually. That's gonna be really long. Room player info packet, yes. So we're going to implement the packet trade further again. So how is everyone doing? I go past the park monthly. I don't like to. Packet bounds, yes. Some bounds client bounds packet ID, some to one, state, some state, this one's gonna be different. This time we're gonna be serializing. I don't think this changes. No, it does not. Why are those? Oh, yeah. Okay, and then once we have that done, I might as well, I don't know where I'll put this. Put this at the bottom? Because that's really long. Or wide table. Why did it do this to me? God damn it. There we go. Yes, this is really fun, because, yeah, there's a lot. So I think, what did I do here last time? We just had this, yeah. Writer that writes all of one of these, which is it's not even that, it's U16 2BE bytes, which would be self dot leader. So then why is that now doing this? Ah, that's fine. I should just have a course unsized. Do nothing, and then actions length. So then we're going to write that. Player or self dot players dot length. That's not length. As U16. Actually, I can just have it like that, and U16 to EE bytes. Throw it out. There we go. And then for each action, we're going to do self.players.for each, or .iter. If I can get a hold of it, there we go. Action. Ooh, we have to sort this. I'm fairly certain we have to sort this. Yeah. Because the protocol only accepts a set of packets, or a set of actions at a time. So we're going to have to sort this by that. Okay, that's going to be fun. We don't have access to self here. It's not like we can do that either. So I guess we're gonna just have to sort this. And yeah, that does mean this for now. Why is this wrong? Oh, because they can't. Okay. Derive copy. And it's not even actually, yeah, it has to be clone. Derive clone. And then what is this? Fact of a U16 on player. Okay, that should just work. And then we take in item each player, or well, each player. Player dot 1. We want to sort by. I guess we're gonna have to compare, implement this manually. What is the requirement? T and T? Huh? Oh, it makes an order. It's not that bad if you look at it. These are just redefinitions, and then this is like the name for the entire thing. Then, and then this is the name for this entire thing, and then this is all like this is an array, and then this is the size of it defined here. So whatever this number is, this is repeated. This whole type out of these things is repeated this time. If that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna have A and a B. I'm gonna make an ordered. I think, what is it? Ord? Ord requires partial ord and equality. Partial ACK. I know, because ACK requires partial. Right hand side, of course, is going to be self. So, then we take ACK and ACK. Hello. Why isn't this like, oh yeah, because 4 player action. FN equality. Your other side. And we're just gonna match. Ooh, I think we can just, what is the thing? Yeah, there's a macro. And I think this macro, yeah, it just detects that. Or no. Oh, it detects that. Okay. I can't see anything through my mic. Or, not my mic, my camera. I have my camera set up, but I don't really want to show it. Sir, they're all over the place. You just don't understand it, though. You gotta understand it. There's a method behind my madness, I tell you. I can just do this. Why is it? I swear, like, Rust has a thing for doing this. Like, what is it called? It's called an enum. Something with enum. Or variant, no, it's not even. Also, Rust variant. Yes, no. Oh, that's an intrinsic. Okay, that's what it is. So that just gets the variant count, and then what? Yes, this is a discriminant, so... Okay, that's really cool. We can take that and use it. So std discriminant of self, is it equal to std discriminant of other? And that's really all I need there. Try to get discriminant. There we go. And just remove those. Oh, that's not. There we go. That's the thing. So, I wonder, discriminant? Okay, they're just different. Is there an order? I'm not sure this implements ord. No. Copy, clone, partial ec, hash, debug. There's no ordering, that's nice. That's, I don't know what I'm gonna do if there's no ordering. I guess it doesn't matter. Is there something like, sort into, what am I trying to say? Is there something that can, like, so, yeah, those are different, but, like, no, it doesn't really make sense to implement these, but it doesn't make sense to implement those like they are. What I can do, though, is, like, okay, like, get a, okay, I can do this. I can do it. A, B, and we can do, like, oh, yeah. A.1, and we're going to match on the type. So we're going to have join. Whether that's going to be empty, or we're not going to care. Player join. Empty, we're not going to care. And then we just return an ordering. Or even better, actually. I know, an even better way. So we're just gonna get an FN, or whatever. Then discriminant ID. player action. This can be 3, and then there we go. And then this can return. I don't know. Key size for all I care. And then we just do this permanence ID of A dot compare discriminant ID of B. There we go. That's much better. Although yeah, those need to be those. Yeah, I think, okay, no. Expected aref, okay. There we go. And that'll sort by that. So now our copy is sorted. Sorted to A through B. Or, well, by its player action type. And now that we have that, we can, see, like, I don't know how to... Now I have to cut the array up and then do something with it. Sounds kind of tricky, alright? So what is there? Yeah. So it's not really, yeah, because I have to split the array up. Somehow. And... yeah, no. I'm not sure how to do that. Huh. I don't really like thinking all that hard on a stream. Right? I don't want to think hard on a stream, but whatever. I'd rather just make tutorials, honestly. Huh. Whatever. Life is weird. We're gonna take this and we're gonna cut it up somehow. Right? What does as chunks do? Okay, that's the type of chunks. That's interesting. Why didn't I have this? These are weird APIs. I'm interested in these APIs right now. What? Okay. Huh. That's cool. What is self here? Oh, it's the back. That's cool. What is 10? So if my thing is the size of 10 and multiply it by n, which is 1, 2, that's 20. Huh. How does that math work? Whatever. I'm just looking at stuff. It's not really interesting. This has never been really interesting. Huh. I don't know what to do. Do you want me to play City Skylines? I don't know why I would. And it's late. I should go to bed soon, too. But okay. If you want. I'm not gonna do anything while I stream. I'm not gonna do anything interesting. Like, it's not gonna be interesting ever. No. Staying out this for the week. So I do. If I stream, no, I don't make interesting content when I stream. I mean, on this channel, anyways. That's not gonna happen. I'm just starting to realize that it's not gonna be anything interesting. I can stream on my main channel and do this, I guess. Thank you. And there's not going to be very many people interested. It's just going to be me thinking a lot. And explaining what I'm thinking would be a lot. Because I think a lot in a small portion of time. I'll tell you what I was thinking before. I had that array, and before I started to think about how good this is actually gonna be, if this stream is gonna be any good at all, like, what am I doing? Before I started thinking about that, right, I had, like, hello, that's water. I was thinking about how I could do this. I'm trying to think about how I can iterate over this while simultaneously, like, sorting it and putting it into the correct areas, and also, like, writing. Like, what I could do here, I guess, theoretically, is I could, like, I could fold over it, and I could put each one as I see into a different array. Really. Or even, what would be better even, if I did, like, but that'd be yeah, no. Because there's multiple ways I could do it. I don't think that, now I think about that probably wouldn't be very good, sitting there and folding on it and putting each one into a different array. Probably the best thing to do would be what I did do, is sort it, but then just split it at the correct indexes, but then I have to sort it and get the indexes of where they change. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have to think more about it. It's not anything to do with linked lists. Anyways, whatever. We're just gonna have this. This is my town where people are not happy because there's no workers. Actually, no. Let's start at the source of the top of the problem. Okay, buildings are being abandoned. Wherever the hell they are. The buildings are being abandoned because there's not enough goods to sell, because there's not enough workers, so also the factories are being abandoned. But I have so many people, and the unemployment rate is 7%, which is really good. That's, like, perfect. But that means I don't have enough people. to fill in those jobs, and neither is there any demand at all for residents. So I'm kind of stuck. Oh yeah, I've been doing this for a while, where I just shred money, hoping that people will become more interested in houses, because I set the taxes to like 1%. I thought that would increase the interest, but no, it doesn't do anything. It just makes my money go down really fast. I was at 2 million before, now I'm at like 500,000. I don't know what to do. Just like, yeah. It's like, oh, there's park. See, I just don't know what to do. So, yeah, okay, that makes sense. I mean, you just zone this off. And then, yeah. Oh, yeah, these guys. What would that have to do? I would have to do, like... Yeah. Because there's no natural resources over here. It's like, what is this? This is... You're in the wrong district to be saying that, aren't you? Unless these are... I don't know what's going on here. Unless these people say it too. No, they don't. No, now they suddenly say there's not enough raw materials. Okay, I think that's because of over here. And to do that, I just have to match this with that. So I'm going to. I'm going to match this with the raw materials. And that's good enough. And you get these people to vacate and switch to another. And then over here, I guess I can just like D-zone. Because if I deselect zoning, okay. They're like here and here. But then over here, just not enough workers. Despite this all being residents. It makes no sense. Whatever, let's just fucking raise the taxes again, so that we're back to normal. For me anyways. Just about 10. You're gonna complain? No? Okay. It's so annoying. Why? There's like a crematorium right here. What's the issue? What is your problem? Yes? It's right there. Drive down the street to the left and over here. There it is. What are you talking about? I don't get that. That baffles me. Okay, what is this? Where's the nearest police station? There's no police station here, is there? Oh yeah, there's no police station. There's only like, yeah, there's only one of those. And then a bunch of those. There's no hospital, you have to go outside. Okay. You know what, screw it. You're getting this. Be happy. Yeah, I just have to wait it out until this decides to go up. Until then, I don't really know what to do about this issue. That's cool, I guess. What is this? Oh. Yeah, that makes sense, because nobody wants to build residentials on here, which would connect this. God damn it. Can I build this here? Nope. Where can I build you? I can't really build that anywhere, can I? Yeah, I don't really have much of a place to build that. Yeah. I could do that. Sure. There you go. Why does a plaza with picnic tables need electricity? I don't understand that. How do I make people want more residential? I mean, people may not want to go back to your city. There's a bunch of people here. They're all living. There's just some way I need to bump it up. Alright guys, search this up. Yeah, but I'm in the situation where my factories are being abandoned because there's no residential zone, but nobody wants to move in. Screw this.